I'm Jamie and today I'm fitting a Fiamma f45s onto the side of our Roller Team T-Line 740 motorhome. The awning was supplied by Just Caravan parts and was delivered next day. I chose for the polar white case and grey fabric version at 4.5 metres long. Installation is two parts. The first part is mounting the brackets and the second part is lifting the awning into place and securing. I started by measuring the length of the awning and transferring that onto the side of the van using a bit of the cardboard packaging with tape. Next I measured in from the ends to find the bracket position and taped these in place. I added a string line between the two outer brackets to locate the centre support. After checking measurements externally, I went inside the motorhome to check where the holes would be in relation to furniture and fittings. I did have to strip down the drop-down bed covers to get access to the outer wall. After triple checking all the measurements, I drilled through the brackets with a 6.5mm HSS bit. Next I removed the brackets and added structural Sikaflex to the rear and placed bolts washers in place before refitting with the bolts pushed through the holes into the motorhome. I now loosely added the plates and nuts to the inside before checking all the positions again. All the measurements were really accurate, in fact within a millimetre tolerance. My friend Ben then arrived to help me lift the awning into place. We used adjustable props to take the load whilst the nuts and bolts were tightened up. After cleaning the excess Sikaflex, we added the interior covers and the job was complete.